Alright, so Roblox updated their Team Create system, and that means my old video is outdated. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Team Create to your game with the updated method. So now it's super simple to do this. What you're going to do is you're going to first click View up at the top, and then you need to find this Team Create button. It looks like a little square with a circle around it or something. Once you click that, what you're going to see is either Enable Team Create, or you're going to see this picture of you and your name. If you see this picture of you and your name, then that means you automatically have had Team Create enabled for you. That's part of Roblox's new Team Create update. Most games by default have this now, but if you don't, you're going to have to click like enable, and then it may ask you to restart the game. So just click enable and restart the game, and then come back here for the next step. Right after that, usually what we did in the last tutorial was go to the game settings for this, but for this new updated method, you're going to come up here to this collaborate button, and now you're going to be able to find people to do your game with. So for instance, if I add my alt for my other channel, I can go ahead and click on him, and I can drop this down, and I can either let him edit the game, or I can let him just play the game. If you select edit, people will be able to collaborate with you in Studio. All they'll have to do is, when they open up Studio, go to My Games, and then this Shared With Me tab. And yeah, that is it. After that, you can click Save, and your friends will be able to join you in here, and you can make a game together. So I hope you enjoyed this updated tutorial. I know it was really quick, but if you did enjoy it, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Quick announcement before I end this video. I'm currently looking for more video ideas. I'm kind of starting to run out. So I have this channel in my Discord server where you can suggest video ideas. So if you have any video ideas, make sure to go there and suggest them. I'm thinking about doing raycasting for the next video because I have a lot of suggestions on that. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you smash the like button. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.